Hello and welcome to Jetset Explore Hub. Are you tired of stressful travel experiences? Well, you're in the right place. Imagine a vacation where everything flows smoothly without any hiccups. Sounds like a dream, right? Today we're going to reveal the top 10 travel hacks that will make this dream a reality. From packing essentials to airport navigation tricks, budget-friendly accommodations, and even cultural etiquette insights. These are all here to transform your journey into a stress-free adventure. So stick around to discover how to transform your travel experiences. First off, let's dive into packing essentials. Imagine a suitcase that's light, yet holds everything you need. It's possible. Start by packing light. Choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Next, consider using packing cubes. These little lifesavers keep your suitcase organized and maximize space. And don't forget the essentials. Travel documents, toiletries, snacks, and perhaps a good book for the journey. Remember, smart packing leads to easy traveling. Navigating airports can be a nightmare, but not anymore. Save precious time with online check-ins. No more lengthy queues, just a few taps on your smartphone and you're good to go. Next up, familiarize yourself with airport maps. These handy guides are your compass in the sea of terminals. Lastly, speed up security checks. Wear easy-to-remove shoes, keep your electronics accessible, and remember the 3-1-1 rule for liquids. With these tricks, you'll breeze through airports. Accommodation can make or break your budget, so choose wisely. If luxury isn't a priority, hostels offer a cost-effective and sociable option. They often come with communal kitchens, saving you even more on dining out. Vacation rentals can also be a steal, especially when traveling in a group. Don't forget about off-season deals. Hotels typically slash their prices during these periods, offering the same level of comfort at a fraction of the cost. Remember, a little research can save a lot of money. Getting around in a new city can be tricky, but we've got you covered. Public transportation is often the most cost-effective way to explore. Buses, trams, and metros offer a window into local life. If you prefer more flexibility, consider bike rentals. They're eco-friendly and can help you dodge traffic. Ride-sharing apps are another convenient option, available in most urban areas worldwide. Just remember to compare prices and check reviews. Travel like a local and save your cash for experiences. In today's digital world, your smartphone is your best travel buddy. It's packed with apps that can make your journey smoother. For navigation, consider apps like Citymapper or Google Maps. They offer offline maps and real-time transit updates. For language barriers, apps like Duolingo or Google Translate can be lifesavers. And let's not forget budgeting. Apps like Trail Wallet track your travel expenses so you can focus on the fun. With the right apps, you have a world of information in your pocket. Safety first, always. You never know when an unexpected event might occur, so travel insurance is a must. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. When it comes to your valuables, consider using hotel safes or money belts. And don't forget to keep a list of emergency contacts, including local authorities and your country's embassy. Having these numbers at your fingertips can make all the difference in a pinch. Stay safe and enjoy your travels with peace of mind. Food is a big part of the travel experience, so let's make it count. Local markets are a feast for the senses, offering an array of unique flavors and aromas. Explore them to get an authentic taste of the region. For those on the go, food apps can guide you to the best eateries around. And let's not forget about dietary restrictions. Always research and communicate your needs ahead of time to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Remember, the way to a culture's heart is through its food. Communication is key, especially when you're in a foreign land. It's a good idea to learn some basic phrases in the local language. Things like hello, please, thank you, and sorry can go a long way. Be aware of your body language too, as it can convey more than words sometimes. And don't forget, your smartphone can be a powerful tool. There are numerous translation apps available that can help you communicate effectively. Language barriers can't stop you from having a great time. Respecting local customs is crucial for a respectful traveler. Immersing yourself in a new culture means understanding and adhering to its etiquette. This could involve dressing modestly in religious sites, avoiding certain gestures, or understanding mealtime manners. It's always a good idea to research these customs before your trip to avoid any unintentional offense. Being culturally sensitive not only enriches your travel experience, but also fosters mutual respect and understanding. Remember, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Traveling can be tiring, so don't forget to take care of yourself. That's right, we're talking relaxation and self-care techniques for all you globetrotters out there. You know, travel isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's also about enjoying the journey and taking care of your well-being along the way. First off, hydration is key. Ensure you're drinking plenty of water, especially during long flights or road trips. It's easy to forget, but your body will thank you. The second essential is sleep. Adjusting to new time zones can be tough, but try to maintain a regular sleep schedule to keep your energy levels high. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest. Lastly, it's okay to slow down. Take time to relax, whether that's enjoying a leisurely meal, reading a book, or simply sitting back and taking in the views. Remember, you're on vacation after all, so breathe in, breathe out, and enjoy the ride. A well-rested traveler is a happy traveler. There you have it, our top 10 travel hacks for stress-free vacations. From mastering packing essentials, navigating airports with ease, to finding budget-friendly accommodations. We've covered local transportation tips, must-have apps, and safety measures. Not forgetting food recommendations, language and communication tips, cultural etiquette insights, and self-care techniques. All designed to make your travel experiences breezier. Which travel hack are you excited to try on your next trip? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels.